so hungry. I just want some free chips. Oh, yup. I'm gonna get those Cheetos. Oh, no! Get those Cheetos. Those yummy Cheetos. Oh my God! A nasty derivative. I can solve this.
For you to get your Cheetos, you must answer the green part of the equation. If you lose, then you die.
That's fine. I can solve that. I just have to solve the first part, right?
Right.
Alright, that's cool. All I have to do for this part of the equation is simply use this formula. d over dx of x to the n power is equal to n x to the n minus 1. Basically what this is saying is that if the coefficient is 1, the coefficient multiplied by the exponent n is n. The exponent is then reduced to 1. So basically in this scenario, we have 5x squared. What I'm going to do is multiply the 5 by 2, so the coefficient multiplied by the exponent, as the rule says, and that is 10. Then I am going to reduce the exponent value by 1, which is simply 1. So we are left off with 10x. And that is the solution to the first part of the equation. Thankfully, I finished the first part, but I smell the Cheetos. I gotta get those Cheetos. Where are my Cheetos? I smell them. I'm getting close. I'm getting real close. Where are my Cheetos? Can you guys see my Cheetos? I can't see my Cheetos, but I can smell them. Where are those Cheetos? Those Cheetos. Where are my Cheetos? You got my Cheetos? You got my Cheetos?
I don't have
You guys got my Cheetos?
Yes.
Where are my Cheetos?
I have no idea.
I
Hi.
smell them. I smell them. Where are my Cheetos? Hey, it's that monster! Where are my Cheetos? Hey, come back! I want my Cheetos! Man, I'm just hungry. Where are my Cheetos?
I'm the second monster of the second level. You have to complete this equation to go on.
That's cool. That's easy. I can do that. You have my Cheetos, don't you?
I do. Complete this equation.
I got you.
Cheetos.
I got you. All right. All I gotta do is use the product rule. D over dx of u times v is equal to u times v prime plus v times u prime. Basically what this is saying is that these are two different functions being multiplied with each other in this formula. Let's let u be 5. Let's let v be tangent. Now, u prime is simply the derivative of 5. 5, x to the 0 is basically what this is. Anything to the 0 power is 1, so 5 times 1 is 5, simple. Now, the derivative of 5 is 0. 5 times 0 is 0. Tangent x, what is the derivative? The derivative of tangent x is simply secant squared x. Now, what does this tell us to do? It simply tells us to multiply the u prime times v and the u times v prime. Simply 5 times secant squared plus, well, tangent x times 0 is 0, so we're left with 5 secant squared x. That is the solution to this part of the equation. Now, we already figured out that the first part is 10x. Now, the second part is simply 5 secant squared x. Now, we are done with the second part of the equation. Can I get my
Cheetos?
Psych! No! No!
My math equation, sucker!
Where are my Cheetos? I want my Cheetos. I smell them. Christ. Where are they? Cheetos. I think I see them. I think I see them. Are those my Cheetos? Alright, no problem. I got you. Alright, sine x over cosine x. Basically, what I'm going to do is use the quotient rule. So, the quotient rule, the way I remember it, is ho d high minus high d ho over ho ho. Basically, that's saying that I'd use the bottom, ho, basically like low, and then the top, high, but I'd find the derivative, d high, of the top equation, which is sine x. So ho, cosine x, multiplied by derivative of the high, which is cosine x, minus high sine x, multiplied by the derivative of the ho, negative sine x, and sine x times negative sine x is negative sine x squared, but here we have cosine squared x, because cosine x times cosine x is cosine squared x. But again, since this is negative sine squared x and this is minus negative sine squared x, we'll just simply put plus sine squared x. Now, the bottom is ho-ho. That means you multiply the low times the low. So, ho-ho is basically cosine times cosine, which is cosine squared x. Now, we can just do cosine squared x to simplify over cosine squared x plus sine squared x over cosine squared x. Cosine squared x over cosine squared x is simply 1. And 1 plus sine squared x over cosine squared x, well, we know that sine x over cosine x is tangent x, but since it's squared over squared, we're just going to put tangent squared x. So plus tangent squared x. 1 plus tangent squared x is equal to secant squared x. So the answer is 10x plus 5 secant squared x plus secant squared x. And there, sine x over cosine x, for those of you that don't know, is equal to tangent x. And basically, from calculus, we know that tangent, the derivative of tangent, is secant squared x. But I wanted to show you the reasons behind it, and that's why I showed you the quotient rule and ho d high minus high d ho over ho ho. There you go. This is the final answer. F prime of x is equal to 10x plus 5 secant squared x plus secant squared x. Thank you. Got my sheet.